All right, guys, Mike with Off-Road Family Adventures. Here's the deal. There's a lot of people out there that are making mounts for SEADOOs and stuff like that, and especially to carry like a flag or a 360 GoPro stick or selfie stick. It's all about choices, guys. One thing I won't do, and you won't see me do, is bash the competitor. And I also don't piggyback off of their posts. So if they're posting and advertising their product, you won't see me piggybacking in there pushing my product. You can look on my site, you can look on my post, and that's one thing I won't let them do also on my website is if I've got a post on there, I won't let, if I posted my products for sale, I won't let them comment in there with their post. They're free on my site to post their link. And absolutely, there's a lot of Facebook groups out there that just don't want the competition. So if they can sell their stuff and they don't want you to post theirs at all. My group, SEADOO Must Have Accessories on Facebook, I'll put a link in the description. You're free to post your products. Just don't piggyback off anybody. There are also a lot of those guys out there that are bashing mine because they're saying, that's not strong, it's not gonna hold. Are you kidding me? It's going to break off. They really have no clue what they're talking about. Yes, this is my mount. See that? Okay, but what they don't realize, and this is what none of them have, is this is not the only spot that's going to break off. That's not where it sits. My mount goes deep inside the hole. It's not going to break, guys. I have had a selfie stick with a 360 camera, which I lost, a $500 camera, because I forgot to lower the pole. I ducked, the camera hit it, the selfie stick snapped off. Mount's still there. I'm still using it to this day. So there is enough business and enough jet skis out there for everybody to offer their products. It's all about choices. So the other thing that I will say about my mount versus other mounts is you can literally buy my rear mount and my front mount for the price, actually for less than you can buy one of their mounts. And none of their mounts, like I said, go into the hull. They're all very superficial right at the top, and that's why they have to have the tethers or the anchors that go to the back of the seat. You don't need that with mine. It's not going anywhere. Like I said, links will be in the description. It's all about choices. Choose what you like. Be happy with your purchase. Get out there and have some fun on the water. We'll talk to you next time.